Hello everyone, today we're checking out our 8-ton excavator, the SE80Pro, a serious machine for heavy-duty job site work. If you need more power, more reach, more machine for the job, the SE80Pro is that higher level of machine. It has the size, stance, and working presence contractors want on site. It is built to deliver dependable performance for daily excavation work. The SE80Pro is powered by a powerful diesel Yanmar engine. With an operating weight of 17,000 pounds, it offers a kind stability customers look for in a bigger working machine. It is designed for operators who want control, comfort, and confidence throughout the working day. Bucket capacity is 0.32 cubic meters with a maximum digging depth of 156 inches or 13 feet deep. Now let's see how the SE80Pro starts in action. The SE80Pro gives you the reach, power, and working stability needed for real work. This machine is built for strong digging performance and demanding job site work. It is a practical option for customers who want a strong, serious excavator with all-around capabilities. It combines power, stability, and everyday usability in one machine. The SE80Pro is now available in North York, Ontario, with financing and variable package options. Contact us for more details.